I missed your 21st birthday. I've been up at home, almost tried to call you. Don't know if I should. Hate to picture you half drunk, happy. Hate to think you went out without me. I'm sorry if you blame me. If I were you, I would. Thought you'd see it coming, but you never could. I still haven't heard from your family, but you said your mom always loved me. Sometimes I go blurry-eyed, small talk, and you tell me that you're on fire. Lights on and it's black and white, you couldn't stay forever. I see the look in your eye and I'm biting my tongue. You'll be the love of my life when I was young. When the night is over, don't call me up, I'm already.
My way, I'm far away, but I'll keep running just to find a way to you till then. I've been running from it, tired of running from it, scared of feeling something else, like I'm trying to get up out of this hole. I tried to be strong, I tried to